What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority, and for today I got a whole bunch more cool products I found on Amazon. I tried to find the unique, the coolest, the newest stuff that is out there, not just bunch of generic simple stuff. So let's see what I found today. Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy it. I filmed this gadget 6 years ago and they have put out quite a few more cool unique products, but this one still 6 years later, the best. This comes with a filler, so you can get a box, and each 3-piece right here has striker inside of them, a new striker. I used it a couple of times to film a short, and once again it went viral. I got already 2 million views on Facebook on short or reel, whatever you want to call it. It is the biggest match fire starter. It's like the best ones. It's been 6 years since they developed it, maybe more, maybe less. But I filmed it gotta be 6 years ago, and it's still the best. You can still get them on Amazon, they still produce them. So first of all, you can light it up and try to put it out and start putting out, or you can put it underwater and it burns underwater. You see this bubbling in there? It's pretty cool. And if I take it out, all I have to do is shake it a little bit. You see it's burning right there, and there you go, it's by itself light up. So once again, put it underwater, it's still burning underwater. You see all this bubbling, it's burning. Take it out, and even if I don't shake it, see what happens. Sometimes I think I gotta shake it a little bit to just get rid of all the water. There you go, get some oxygen in there, and then where there was water, it's burning off as well. Olight occasionally sponsor me. This one is not a sponsor. I thought it was so cool. I ordered it myself online. I really like Olight. This is exclusive for Olight for 18th anniversary, and this thing looks like a missile. How cool is that? Looks like steampunky, whatever we want to call it. It's one of those flashlights that you pull up and charge it and then close it. That's a way better design. Check this out, and it says Olight 18, and then just twist it. Twist to activate, like darker and brighter mode, and that's it. And to recharge it, just twist it up, and there's a charging port. I found this easy to use retracting tool, I guess for hunting or for anything fishing. There's a clip. I never seen anything like that. Usually a retracting tool will self-retract back. This one is not, and it could be very useful. Look how much it's retracting. Wow, how many feet is this? And whenever I want to roll it back up, just pull it this way. Sits in there quite comfortably, so I don't have to worry about it twisting up. Look at that. I keep going, and so I can pull up any gear, climb up to a tree, climb up to something, and then get my backpack and wind it up, or I could just pull it up. Probably pulling it up easier, so that way I don't lose this down as well. But yeah, pulling it up, but later just crank it back up. Okay, there's a new screwdriver. Reminds me from those back in the day multicolor pens. Remember those blue red? So this right here is actual screwdriver. More like everyday carry, like to replace batteries on the toys and things like that. Replace remote control batteries if there's little screws. Maybe you could use that. Sometimes on this kind of knives there's random screws like this. This one a bit too small, so could be a very useful screwdriver flathead to even fix the small, you see, small tools like that. Maybe I want to clean it up. Small flathead and an Allen, and they all have names right here. Start bit. But yeah, Gerber have come up with a new utility knife, EAB Slim. Let's see what it's all about. I like utility knives. I open up a lot of boxes. I run an eBay store with Pokemon cards, most of it, and I will sell all this extra stuff on my eBay store. Links in description. Obviously I'm gonna sell it as like an open box, pre-owned, kind of like used, even though I don't barely use them. so you'll get a good discount if you buy this stuff on my eBay store. Links in description anyways. So how does this work? Whoa, this is cool. What? And locks in here. That is so unique. All metal, little like lanyard hole right here. And now how do we lock it back up? I have no idea. Oh, just pull it up. So if I can hold it a little bit, just kind of cut it open and push it back up, or I can open it all the way, break up boxes. But when it's a little bit, it's not locked. So I wish there would be maybe one position lock, second position lock, and the third position lock. They could have made another notch to improve it, to have it smaller. I got it here, Tiny 3 600 lumen flashlight by Nikkor. It could go onto a keychain, can go on this one, or regular keychain, rechargeable. So it's locked. So just press this and hold and unlock. Okay, and it's 1 lumen for 85 hours it will work. Then 15 lumens, 9 hours. 65 lumens, we got 2 hours 45 minutes. 200 lumens, 1 hour. And how do we activate it? Press and hold. 600 lumens toolbar. So just press and hold 20 minutes on 600 lumen. It's very bright, I love it. And turn it off and on. Simple, just click it, brighter, press and hold toolbar. I love how simple it is, somewhat slim. Look, I can change the color of flashlight. That is incredible. All I was trying to is lock it. What? Look at that. So that way it's not hurting the eyes. I could use warm flashlight, even warmer, so that way it's not hurting my eyes if I point it onto my face or somebody's face by mistake. Okay, just press and 2 times and it's locked. Now it will not turn on automatically. All I have to do is just press to unlock. I love it. I got it here, drill pump. It's kind of like a siphon pump. Let's see how it works and if it works at all. Okay, I'm gonna plug it into a drill and this is what it's going to look like. Let's try it. Oh yeah, it's pretty much going to pump in different direction to pump. Switch it in different directions. Okay, let's see if I can get the siphon going. Oh yeah, and now we're siphoning. Wow, without the pump is actually better. And that's called a siphon pump. So I can actually use a pump to siphon out if I had a pool cover maybe, filled up too much water, or I can siphon out entire pool, just drop it down the hill. So this is what's called siphon pump. Then I love CRKT. CRKT is one of the leading everyday carry tools, gadget tools, knives and everything. So this side here, now they have black. This is Scott Tools design. The bit would go like this. And there's different, ooh, this is cool. This is attachment for a regular bit holder, or the one that I showed you guys in the last video, one of these ones. So now I can interchange this for that. That is so smart. A bit too small. No, it will work. This one is just dual size, so it will not work. Consider that it will not work with the dual one. This is a bit too small. I mean, it kind of sits in there, but not all the way. But consider that now you can use the smaller sizes and bigger sizes, regular ones. There's adapter, but not for dual ones. Super cool. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.